Listen, it's working. I've used tea kettles before, but I have never purchased one. This is my first tea kettle. Oh my gosh. It tastes so good. Hey guys, it's Kharyzma, and today I have an unboxing for you of this electric tea kettle. I have needed a tea kettle for a while now. I was literally, when I had to make my teas, using a pot to boil, and that can be not good for me because sometimes I will put the pot on the stove and then just walk away and forget about it, like if it's water. Now if I'm cooking food, that's different. I'm at the stove until I'm done. But like if I put a pot of water to boil, I'm just like, okay, let me just put it to boil, go do something else, and come back. A lot of times I come back and the pot is the water already evaporated, like I'll forget. So I was like, let me get this tea kettle because I love to drink tea. Not so much in the summertime, but I still need to get one, so I'll be preparing for the fall. But I ordered this from Walmart a few months ago, and I waited to do the unboxing for you guys because I wanted to share it with you. So you get to see me unbox this electric kettle. Okay guys, so all it basically comes with is this kettle here, and then the base for it so that you can plug in. So we're gonna get to that a little bit later, but I'll just show you it's a glass kettle with a plastic handle, and then you see the top right here. Yeah, you would press this button back and open it, and it has the ounces on the side: 2 cups, 4 cups, 6 cups, 8 cups is the max, so you shouldn't fill it up past here. I know the glare of the light you can't really see, but you shouldn't fill it up past what the max is, which says 8 cups. And it says Haddon Eon. Now, I purchased this from Walmart. This was not the name that they had for it, but because it's what's on it, that's the name that I'm gonna go with. I'll put all the information in the description, just in case you want to get it from Walmart. I'm gonna look to see if they have it on Amazon as well, and I'll just give you my Amazon affiliate link so that you can purchase this or one that's similar. So I'll read you some of the specs. It's the Haddon Eon temperature variable electric kettle, and it says it has a removable scale filter. Oh, okay, so that will be this right here, and I think you could take this out if you can see it right here. I'm guessing. I've used tea kettles before, but I have never purchased one. This is my first tea kettle. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the removable filter, scale filter, the lid release button, which is what you saw me press there, variable temperature controls. So here, this one is fancy. The ones I used did not have all of this. It was just basically the ones I used before, just like put the water in and press the power button and then it just heats it up. This one has temperatures. Okay, so it has keep warm, I guess when you want to keep your beverages warm, the water, whatever. Start and stop, 200 French press, 212 black, white, oolong. Oh, so it's for the different teas. I didn't know. I'm learning something new, guys. This is for green tea, 175 degrees, oolong tea, 190 degrees, white tea, 185. All right. All right, let me know in the comments, did you know all this about different teas and needing to be heated up to a certain temperature? Because I certainly did not know. Excuse me if my thing came out. Well, all right. Yeah, it says here, all the functions for the teas and stuff. Wow, I learned something new. So it says the measurement markings, which I showed you before. Heat resistant handle. So it says that, you know, when it's hot and then you want to pour your water, the handle right here will not burn you because it says it's heat resistant. So we're going to try that out a little bit later. It says it has an automatic safety shut off, so it should shut off automatically. It says borosilicate glass is what this is made of. It's a light glass. It's not a heavy glass at all. It's very, very light. Now it came with this. Oh, it came with this to tell you how to use it properly. And this says citric acid detergent. I guess it's to clean it. I'm guessing that that's what they want you to clean it with. So you know what? Let me clean it first, and then I'll demo it to show you guys how it works, and we can make some tea together. Okay, so when you're setting it up, you just want to make sure you have it, when you wrap it around to like how long or short you want this cord, then you make sure that you can bring it out, whatever's left. It's going to be different for everyone, but so that it can lay flat when you plug it in. So I decided that we can have some echinacea and immune support tea from Yogi Tea, which I have been drinking for quite a long time. So we're gonna do this today, and I have some honey. I'm gonna put some honey in this. So this is the tea that we'll be drinking, and here is my mug. It says glitter is always an option. You guys who know me know I love glitter and anything that's glitz, glamour, and fabulous. So start off with opening that up and putting that there. And let me fill this up with water. I'm just going to use some water that was in my fridge that's filtered. And I'm not going to put a lot because I don't need a lot. Hopefully you guys can see. I'll do 4 cups. Yeah, now I have to fill this back up. By the way, I don't like cold water. I like my water room temperature, but other people who come here like cool water. So, you know, when guests come and stuff like that, they like cold water. I drink room temperature water, always. Okay, so it's filled up to the 4 cups. And remember, you cannot go past the 8-cup max line, which is right there. Okay, so I'm closing the lid, and then I'm gonna place this on the base. Let me bring this down so you can see. So I took out my honey here that I'm gonna use inside. Set that aside. Okay, so I wasn't too sure what category this falls under, because apparently there's a whole chart with like what temperature to boil your teas on, which is all new to me. Okay, so I looked at the ingredients on the back, and this says the first ingredient is peppermint leaf, organic lemongrass. So we're gonna go with the peppermint, and I see peppermint here in the chart, on the chart rather, and it says suited to 212 Fahrenheit, so we're gonna go with that. You learn something new every day. Okay, so it says to switch it on, which I'm gonna do is says to press start. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see. Yes, so it said it would illuminate, everything's gonna illuminate, and then you choose the temperature. So we're doing 212, and I chose that. And so now press start again. No, that didn't work. Let's see. Okay, so I guess when you put it on, when you plug it, just choose the temperature and then press start. When you see the bottom in blue and then you hear it, it's just gonna start getting hot. So let's wait. Okay, I wanted you to hear it. Listen. It's working. So I think it's supposed to automatically stop when it's heated to where it needs to be. I didn't time it though, so I gotta look in the manual and tell you the timing. Yay! Okay, so it beeps. I missed the beeps on camera, but it'll beep, 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 like 2 or 3 times, and then that's how you know your water is boiled. Okay, so let's put the water in our cup to make our tea. I'm gonna put some honey in here. I did put a little bit of cane sugar, but I also just want honey too, so not that much. This is a tablespoon, and so this is less than a tablespoon of honey. Put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the the kettle, and the handle is not hot, as you can see. And here is my cup. So I'm gonna focus on this while I'm pouring, but you guys can see. And you see it's hot. Yay! Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put it back to the base. I don't have a lot of counter space here, so this may not be the home for this. I may have to move it to the other side. That might be better. This is not too much of a big space, and then I don't like it being like right near the stove, so I'll play around with it and keep you guys posted. So guys, the tea smells so good. It's still hot. The only thing I can say about this tea kettle is that I feel like it took a while, but I don't know, I didn't time it, but it is what it is. At least I know now when I want to make tea, I can just turn it on, and then I don't have to worry about like leaving stuff on the stove. That was my main concern, so I got that taken care of. And let's have some tea. It's still hot, and this is not a teaspoon, which I should get. Let me get a teaspoon. There we go, I got a teaspoon. I gotta blow it. It tastes so good. I'm a tea drinker. I love tea. I like the taste of coffee, but I'm not a coffee drinker. I will have coffee, you know, because I like the taste, but I'm not one who's like, oh, I gotta get coffee every morning. But if it's around, I'll take it just to have it. But I'm more of a tea drinker, so I'm so happy that I got my kettle, because I stopped making tea because I kept, like I told you, boiling the water and leaving it and forgetting. I was like, no, I can't do this anymore. I had this a little before my birthday, I think, or it was one of my birthday gifts or something. I probably used a gift card or something like that, and I just kept it. My birthday's in May, we're in July now, and I had it sitting aside so that I could do the unboxing for you guys. So if any of you need a tea kettle, you see how it was. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can purchase this, or one similar to it on I got it on Walmart, but I'm gonna see, because on Amazon, if you use my link, I will get a small commission, which I really will appreciate. If I can set up a Walmart affiliate account before I post the video, then I will leave the Walmart account, and I'll put it in the caption if I did. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hauls, unboxing, and a little bit of everything else. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style and Kharyzma for You Fashion. All the information will be in the description. I love you all.